Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to use your Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker, what you need to do is follow these steps. Step 1 is to enable Bluetooth pairing on Alexa. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone and or tablet. Tap the devices icon at the bottom. Choose Echo and Alexa from the list of devices. Select your Alexa device, example Echo or Echo Dot. Tap on Bluetooth devices and then pair a new device to put Alexa in pairing mode. Alternatively, you can also say Alexa pair to trigger Bluetooth pairing. Step 2 is to pair your phone or device. On your phone or tablet, go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. In the list of available devices, select your Alexa device. Once paired, Alexa will announce that it is connected. Step 3 is to play audio through Alexa. Once connected, you can play audio from your phone or tablet. The sound will play through Alexa device, acting as a Bluetooth speaker. If you want to disconnect, you can either unpair from the phone's Bluetooth settings or say Alexa disconnect. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.